Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 20-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A silk beige MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Pano sunroof, third row seating. Come around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down third row seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, a wood and leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. This one also does come with navigation, parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS has 22,754 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.